Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to show you guys something a little bit different. This is not anything to do with cars, but it does have to do with car painting. But I want to show you guys something that my boss's son asked me to do for him, and he wants me to paint 2 big refrigerator doors for him that are stainless steel for his kitchen, and he wants them to be flat black. So what we did was to prepare these doors is we sanded the whole door with some 600 grit DA paper and scuffed it down. We taped up the doors underneath to tape up all the plastics. And there was a dent on this door that was fixed. And he also wants me to paint the handles for him in flat black. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take all the same process that it is to paint a car to do these refrigerator doors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray a coat of sealer on both doors, and then I'm gonna start spraying my black. So we're gonna seal them with some sealer and then paint them, and hopefully they come out nice and clean and flat black like he wants them to be. So I'm gonna get started, putting some sealer on here, and then start putting some black paint on there. It's kind of weird for me because I've really never had to paint refrigerator doors. I mean, you don't really get that request. I've painted cabinets with car paint, but never painted refrigerator doors, so I'm hoping it comes out good. Now that my sealer is tacky, I'm going to start applying my black base coat. Okay guys, now I'm in my other booth because when I was painting this originally, I ran out of the additive that it takes to flatten the clear. So I had to stop, put the doors to the side, and then keep on working on other things. But now I got the additive and I have it in the other booth. And now all I have left is to clear it, let it dry, and let the clear flatten out. And in case you guys were wondering what I'm talking about when I say additive, there is an additive that is added to the clear so that it flattens out as it dries. I have a video I made on how I do that process. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it right here. And I'll link it at the end of the video. But for now, I'm going to start clearing these refrigerator doors to finish them up because the owner's calling asking for them. So let's get started. Check it out. This is what the clear looks like. It looks kind of milky, and that's the additive that makes it look like that, and then it flattens it out when it dries. So I'm gonna start clearing this, and now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it flattens out. Okay, so real quick, with the booth running, I'm going to try to talk to you guys a little bit louder here. But you see how it goes on shiny, right? It's shiny when it goes on, and then once I bake it, that it completely dries, then that shine will die out, leaving everything nice and flat. So you see, I'm going to put this to bake right now, when it finishes baking, we're gonna come back, check it out, and see how it flattens out. See you guys in a half an hour, I guess. It's about half an hour. Well, guys, here it is. It's all dried up, and it flattened out, and looks nice and smooth and clean. And this is like a satin look. It's not completely flat. It has like a satin look to it, but it's all dried up, and it looks great. And this is how you paint a refrigerator door. Different on my channel, but anyway, that's what it looks like. Well, guys, that's it for me for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.